Barn Point Hilux Rogue Rear Bumper Installation Guide. Install the parking sensors after removing the original rear bumper. First, mount the parking sensor brackets. Align the parking sensors with the brackets and adjust to a flush fit. Install the cover plates after confirmation. Fit the guide bolts to the frame at this position. Mount the rear bumper onto the vehicle. Secure with nuts and washers. Fasten the side edges with bolts and washers. Repeat the above step for the opposite side. Tighten all bolts and nuts after confirming the bumper is in the correct position. Connect all wiring harnesses. The installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing Barn Point.